also see that they've got a great new design language, really easy to use, really heavy footprint as well. And we've got some tape in here. Now this is one of the unique features of the Alcatel, is the keyboard. So we'll pop that open. You can actually get a look at what this does. The keyboard itself is designed so it can work with a wall mount or be desk flush, but as you can see here, that little keyboard, and they package these good, don't they? It actually has a clip, so it actually clips right in here onto the base. And it's really solid. So you can clip that in on the base, then you pop the base down and that keyboard stays right in there. Then you've got your handset. And this is the next to the smallest. It's a wideband audio phone, of course. Has 4 labelable keys, so those can be static. And then it's got a backlit dynamic display here on the top edge. Hold, transfer, redial, voicemail, mute, volume control, speakerphone, all of those built in. 3.5mm jack on the side for a headset. You'll notice there's no hook flash on these phones. It's electronic, so you don't have to use a headset lifter, mechanical lifter if you use a headset with these phones. So that's the 29. We move that one out of the way, and we'll go to the next one up in the model line. Now, when you're talking about the Alcatel phones in an IP configuration, these phones all support IPv6. They are all gigaspeed, and they all support low power PoE, which is 802 AZ, I believe, is the nomenclature for that critter. But the largest power consumption on this is 5.3 watts, so very low power phone. So as you can see, the keypad is removable, so if you don't want it, you can just remove it from the system that way. But if you do, just slide it in there, lock it into that base, feel it clip in there, and slide back along the back. You can see there's your cable. Just slide it through that base, and away you go. Pop that back on. You can see you've got a large range of stand positions on this phone, and it stays put. And when I press buttons, it's not sliding around the desktop. It's got a lot of weight and heft to it, so a great looking phone. Now, as you can see, a little bit different from the previous phone. You're talking 10 keys versus the 6 keys, and then these programmable keys versus these. Now, on both of these phones, you can scroll through this directory, and it gives you up to 70 keys, depending on which phone system it's connected to. So you've got plenty of keys. Also, the way these phones are designed, they actually dynamically allocate the keys in the screen when you need them. So if you need a feature or a function, it typically will pop up on the screen on demand. Let's go to the last one. This is the 68. And the big difference with this guy is that it has a full color LCD screen. It also comes equipped with Bluetooth. So when you look at the phone, we've got these little charging pins. So if you order it with the Bluetooth handset, looks just the same as this handset, except it has no cable attached to it. But it will charge right through there, and it will actually have its own buttons on the Bluetooth version for taking the call and volume control when you're away from the phone. So we'll take that one, move that critter out. So you've got the Bluetooth built into this phone. You also have a full color display as opposed to a multi-gray tone, which is on the other phones. So we'll get that out of there, pop that out, lock this guy back in.